Namaskaram and welcome to all dear lovely ladies. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for exclusive handwoven sarees. Started in the year 2012 from Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu. Now we have 17 stores all across South India. In Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Be it quality, best prices or best collection, we always provide the very best to our dear customers. And make sure you're visiting your nearest BML store to have a look at the beautiful collection of sarees and amazing interiors too. So ladies, today's episode is going to be about very lovely, very royal Kanchipattu sarees, and I will be showing you 6 different beautiful sarees. Let me get started. This Kanchipattu saree is in a classic combination of green with maroon. Let me show you the body. The body, which is in green color, has floral buttees inside curvy floral check, floral jal, creating the beautiful pattern all over the body in gold zari. The border has temples in gold zari, and we have dollars in boxes with diamonds in gold zari, and then we have peacocks and yalis in boxes here. The pallu has cross lines in gold zari, and we have florals and leaf jars in lines, and then we have diamond brocade work in gold zari all over it. A beautiful contrasting maroon color blouse for your lovely green color saree, and to place an order for this one, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, let me tell you that we provide global courier service, which means no matter in which part of the world you're sitting, when you place an order for our sarees, we will deliver them to you in no time. And cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. This one is a beautiful blue with magenta color Kanchipattu saree, and on the body we have drop buttees in silver zari, and inside each drop butty we have different detailing. So we have curvy lines, we have strips, we have cross lines, and we have floral jal, we have small dollars, we have small boxes, a lot of beautiful detailing inside the buttees. Our beautiful border has florals on the edge, and then we have dollars inside boxes, and we have florals with florals and leaves jal in silver zari. We also have cross lines in silver zari, and again we have florals and leaves jal. On a contrasting magenta color pallu, we have cross lines in silver zari with florals and leaves jal in lines, and then we have diamond brocade work inside which we have cross lines, we have florals, and we have drop buttees too. Here is the beautiful contrasting magenta color blouse for this blue saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, these weavers prices are valid only for limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. This one is a very beautiful, rich and royal mustard with pink color Kanchipattu, and let's begin with the body. The body has paisleys inside floral buttees, and we have florals and leaves jal. We have beautiful gold zari work all over the mustard color body, which looks very vibrant. We have a beautiful broad border in pink color for the mustard saree, and on the edge we have florals, and we have diamonds in boxes, we have cross lines, we have small round floral buttees with diamonds, and we have florals and leaves jal with peacocks, and again we have cross lines with diamonds in boxes in gold zari. Our beautiful contrasting pallu in pink color has a lot of beautiful work over it. Let me start explaining with this one. So we have peacock buttees inside, circular floral buttees in gold zari, and we have cross lines too. Then we have small drop buttees in boxes, and then we have tears in floral buttees. We have large peacock buttees giving it a very unique look, and we have gold zari kadi all over it. There's a beautiful contrasting pink color blouse for the mustard saree, and to place an order for this one, please take a screenshot along with the item code on the screen and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, let me tell you that you can also place the order by clicking on the links mentioned in the description box. When you click on these links, they will take you to our website, that is kanchivml.com. There you can add this saree and many more such beautiful sarees to your cart and place the order right away. Here I am going to introduce a beautiful red with navy blue Kanchipattu to you. The body has beautiful florals and leaves jal in silver zari all over it. Border, which is in navy blue color, has small floral buttees and lines, and we have these zigzag lines too. We have peacocks with florals and leaves jal, and we have cross lines over here. Then we have florals and boxes in silver zari. The contrasting pallu in navy blue color has peacocks with florals in lines, and we have small floral buttees and lines too in circles. After that, we have floral brocade work in cross checks in beautiful silver zari. Have a look at this contrasting navy blue blouse for your beautiful red color sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, these videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube so that you can watch it again, share it with your friends and family and place lots and lots of orders only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Have a look at this beautiful, gorgeous violet color Kanchipattu sari with very lovely, very minimal work on the body. So on the body we have these zari boxes in silver zari and in gold zari, and inside the zari boxes we have these peacock buttis, and we have cross lines, and outside we have florals and leaf jal detailing. Our self border has florals in cross checks in gold zari, and then we have cross lines in gold zari, and again we have diamond pattern florals inside cross checks. Let me show you the very beautiful, fantastic pallu for this one. So we have peacocks in these boxes and we have unicorns too, making this a fantasy design, very beautiful sari. We have small dollars and lines and florals and leaves jal too. After that we have brocade work in florals. We have a lovely self blouse for this lovely violet sari, and to place an order for this one, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, we now have 17 stores of Varamahalakshmi Silks all over South India in Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. So please make sure you're visiting your nearest VML store now. This one is a beautiful bright orange with navy blue Kanchipattu sari. Let's start with the body. The body of this one has self-embossed checks, and inside that we have self-embossed peacocks and peacock buttis in gold zari, creating a beautiful contrast of work, a very beautiful pattern. The contrasting navy blue color border has zigzag lines, and we have small paisleys, we have florals with floral and leaves jars, we have diamonds in lines, and we have again small paisleys, beautiful strips, beautiful lines in gold zari on this border. The contrasting pallu for this beautiful sari in navy blue color has florals and jal in lines, and then we have diamonds in lines, and we have floral buttis in curvy checks on the body in gold zari. Let me show you the contrasting blouse for this one, which has self-embossed checks with self-embossed peacock buttis inside them. Ladies, let me tell you that we provide global courier service, which means no matter where you are sitting, when you place an order for our sarees from Varamahalakshmi Silks, we will deliver them to you in no time. Cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Weaver special valid only for limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. You can also shop for our sarees by going to our website, that is kanchivml.com, by clicking on these links in the description box, and you can add this saree and many such beautiful sarees to your cart and place the order right away. These videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, so you can watch it again, share it with your friends and family and place lots and lots of orders from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Dear ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode about beautiful regal Kanchipattu sarees. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episodes. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.